Hi, today I'm going to talk to you about reasons why you should be creative and give you some tips. I know it can be difficult sometimes, so I want to help you think about creativity in a 2D way. If you're new here, this channel is all about macro and landscape photography. So hit the bell and subscribe to the channel and you'll be notified every time I make a video for you every Thursday. One of the most important things that you should really do is pick a subject that you really love. If you're going to, the sun is pretty bright out here, if you're going to photograph something that's new, it's just not going to work. So get something that you really enjoy so you can bring out the creativity within that instead of something new and worrying about the newness of the subject. So behind me I have some awesome palms that are in my backyard. I've always loved them. What I want you to think about is 2D. You got to remember that we are photographing flat. Look at texture. Texture is a way of getting real creative and having some fun. Or get underneath it and get up close. It's kind of different. So as I back up and look at my palms, they're just normal palms. How could I be creative about that? So that's why I got up close and looked at it individually. One thing that I think is really cool is paying attention to light. We could see that the light of these big, huge leaves are absolutely gorgeous. Now they're moving a lot, so I don't know if I'll be able to get this. We'll try. But if you back up and see my bird of paradise, it's too busy. And I think it's a good suggestion for you to feel your work. Sometimes when you're looking at your subject, you may find something else that's interesting. So after you've photographed it, just come on, look and see if there's anything pretty cool that you could play with. The real thing about being creative is you are saying to yourself, that looks really cool. When you have that in your mind, stop and take a picture. Okay, I'm back in my office. So one thing I do suggest is get back to your computer ASAP, because what you felt while you're out there photographing really can hone in as you work on your images in the computer. So don't take too long, okay? You want to be staying in that creative zone as you were shooting and into your computer. Now, if you really want to dive in to being creative, I'm so excited. I just finished the free creative blueprint workshop for you guys. Yes, you can check out my workshop for free. It's totally worth almost $500 because we work so hard together in this workshop. So grab it for free down below and check it out, and I guarantee it's really going to help you bring out the creativity in you. All right, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Remember that your 1,000 words does make a difference. See you later. Cheers.